मेडिकल स्टूडेंट्स की ट्रोमा स्टार्ट हो चुकी है गाइस. नाउ वी गिवन आवर PCT टेस्ट. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we are starting with our first section of reading because we got our university timetable for our first year uni exam that are going to be conducted from October 1st, 5th and the 7th. So for the first year student we are only having in 3 subjects. बोलने में तो 3 सब्जेक्ट होगा बट वी आर हैविंग इन सब subjects behind it, and 2 months remaining for the university exams. And I know the people, those who are engineers or in other field, they might be thinking 2 months is very big time, we can prepare for the exam very well, and we people will read one day before exam just to pass out. But medicos are different. If you study for 2 months also, it is very hard to get just pass in the exam, and especially in case of a BDS student, because the syllabus is very scattered and we don't have enough resource to prepare for the exams. And especially we people in the first year, we don't have any guidance and all, just we prepared for the internals and we made a temporary notes. वो कहाँ है वो भी पता नहीं है हमको कहाँ कहाँ फेंके हुए करके. So again we have to start seeing the video lecture, start making in the notes, and then आंसर्स कैसे रिप्रेजेंट करनी है, वो कैसे करनी है, कैसे करनी है, बहुत टाइम लगेगा. एंड 2 मंथ्स में प्रोडक्टिव स्टडी तो नहीं हो सकता है because we also have to adjust for the rhythm again. So now it's a time to get ready because we are having our theory and the practical classes. As it was in a Monday, we were having histology practical classes, and ready हुए और फिर नाश्ता किया, and then we went straight back to our first practicals where we started doing with some of the histodiagrams, and then some times were remaining, and premolar demo was given for us. So we started with the doing in premolars. So this is one of the very toughest part for all the BDS students, I think, because again the same thing, resources are very less, and carving is one of the headache part because we don't get the approval very easily. And then next we were having some sort of theory classes, and finally we went for library to have another study season. Guys, now we given our PCT test on topic called protein chemistry and protein chemistry, and another topic is GIT. Okay, and the paper was easy, difficult, we don't know because we didn't study it.
It was whole chapter of dialysis.
Yeah, it's just like an assignment only. So we attempted what questions we read, and next again we are back in library for studying. We'll say for studying, but somehow the time go in teasing each other, doing the time pass. But now it's a very peak time to study. Morning also we done one study season.
Because of her I not studied in morning.
Oh my god.
Because I sat with her. So I not studied. I may have studied whole chapter if I was sad.
This is the very biggest lie she is saying ever. Because of her I didn't protect.
Broken.
It's like seriously. Now we'll start the study season again.
Season section.
Still in confusion and the dilemma whether to solve the PYQ paper or to read the entire chapter. I'll go through the PYQs again. So come, let's complete it. Done with the lunch, guys. So now we are going for ABMS hospital for our next anatomy class, which is one of my favorite class. That class is favorite for me because that sir will ask question to me. So we are heading towards that. Still we have a time of 20 minutes. Let's go. And yes, the class was ended very earlier, so we came back to the hostel because we wanted to study. So some time were left, so we came back again. एंड फाइनली वो सब टाइम टेबल देख के क्या क्या पढ़ाई करना, कैसे कैसे पढ़ाई करना सोच रही थी मैं. एंड इतनी बार टाइम टेबल चेंज होते हैं हमारी मतलब खुद की. लाइक वी थॉट ऑफ डूइंग सम काइंड ऑफ स्ट्रेटजीज एंड completing our syllabus, but it will not work out. Again we will change. शायद लगता है मुझे ये सब करते करते पूरी 2 months कंप्लीट हो जाएगा और एग्ज़ाम भी आ जाएगा. बट वी आर ट्राइंग टू फिट इन फॉर द सिस्टम राइट नाउ. एंड ऐसे ही पढ़ाई चालू हो चुकी थी. एंड आई स्टार्टेड विद द फिजियोलॉजी क्वेश्चन पेपर. एक्चुअली आई सॉल्व वन ऑफ द क्वेश्चन पेपर जिसमें था कंसंट्रेशन, यूरिन फॉर्मेशन, हाइपरवॉल्मिक शॉक, hearing pathway, dead spaces, and few some more 2 marks and the 5 marks question. So I tried to complete at least half of in a paper. तो मेरे फ्रेंड्स बोला यार पढ़ाई बहुत हुए तो इसलिए जाएंगे हम कलबुर्गी उत्सव को. एंड इट वॉज वेरी अमेजिंग. स्पेशली दिस लाइटिंग पार्ट वॉज वन ऑफ द बेस्ट पार्ट आई हैव एवर सीन इन एनी लोकल शोज. And it almost feel like in a Disneyland that we have landed. Entire lightings, everything was just amazing. And थोड़ी बहुत फ्रेंड्स की बॉन्डिंग बहुत इमोशनल हो रही है. पीपल विल बी सेइंग लाइक फर्स्ट ईयर की बॉन्डिंग उतनी नहीं होता, बट वी आर फीलिंग सो मच इमोशनल. एंड फाइनली वी हैड सम स्नैक्स एंड दिस बॉय वाज जस्ट अमेजिंग बिकॉज he was smiling and it changed the entire vibe of their shop. Finally we played some joint wheel and dragon and all, and finally we came to our hostel. That's it for today.